Hey guys, you know what this is? No problem, I tell you, this is a plum fruit and it is very sweet and beautiful fruit. There is a plum tree in which many fruits grow. There is a beautiful spring fruit. It has different types. It consists of small and large bodies. It is grafted, so after that it becomes a bigger fruit and it does not have a seed inside it. It becomes a hybrid and I request you so watch the video carefully. Thanks for watching.